Hey guys, this is Aditya Kaushik. I have secured All India rank 375 and my optional was history, and I got 271 with 143 in paper 1, 128 in paper 2, and behind this score, LevelUp IAS has played a very big role, as I gave my mains in 24 also and 25, and both the times I was associated with the crash course come history test series, where the whole syllabus was covered in a very structured manner. Most important themes were covered throughout, and the test quality was very good. And the best part was that Nikhil sir and Vishal sir were always there, like always there, to have answer all my queries, answer all the doubts, and review whatever answers I wrote. So they played a very crucial role in to help me sail through this exam, and also for they gave me additional tips for GS and essay also. Since LevelUp has helped me so much, I'm always here, and all the students who are taking history optional are most welcome, and I'm here to address all your doubts.